Let us see how to draw a 120-degree angle using the compass and the straight edge only. Like every angle we are drawing using the compass and straight edge, we have to start from the 60-degree angle, because the 120-degree angle is 60 degree plus 60 degree. So our exercise consists in adding a 60-degree angle to another 60-degree angle. First of all, we're going to draw a 60-degree angle. Using point A as center, we draw an arc any radius long that meets semi-straight line R at this point 1. With center at point 1 and the same radius as before, we draw an arc that meets the former one at point 2. This semi-straight line that starts at point A and goes through point 2 forms with the other one a 60-degree angle at point A. If we repeat the operation and we add another 60-degree angle to the first one, we get the 120-degree angle we want. Using point 2 as center and the same radius as the previous arcs, we draw another arc that meets the first one, the one whose center was point A, at this point 3. So if we draw the line that goes through A and 3, the angle intercepted from 2 to 3 is a 60-degree angle too. If we have a 60-degree angle and another one where the first one ends, the whole angle will be the 120-degree angle we are looking for. So we can highlight the solution.